everybody, thank you for coming in. Okay, on this episode, we're looking at repairing this 1985 weapons transport vehicle. And there's not really much wrong with it, it's just that it's missing the steering wheel, so I've got to find something for that. The aerial, this bomb trailer's all good, but if I take this off, you can see that other bomb fin is snapped off. I do have another one here, but I'm not going to use that. Basically we'll look at sort of like measuring the sides and all that. But anyway, without further ado, please come with me on this journey and let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Alright, first of all we'll take this trailer part off, and we've got this bomb that we need to address, and it still separates quite easily too. But as soon as I reckon as soon as I put the other fin on, should be good as gold. So we'll just put it to one side. Don't actually need that at the moment. So I want to look at doing the vehicle first. So you can see I'm missing the steering wheel and the aerial, and I've got another steering wheel from the ARAH hydrofoil, and that sort of fits in quite well. Now, I don't want to glue that in there, so when I find another steering wheel and replace it, I'm good as gold. Right, now for the aerial, what I'm thinking about is that I've got one of these plastic trees things, and I want to look at using this part here. So I'll look at snipping this with my plastic snips. About here. And just clean it up a lot more. And then put it over there. I reckon it'll look good. Now what I'll do with that is, it's already, a hole is drilled out or punched out. Okay, so I'll get the old trusty super glue. One side, and then just basically position that. Right, and what I'll do is I'll get some super glue in here. And then basically position that to about here, and just leave it alone to set. Right, onto the bomb now. For the bomb, I'm going to be using this styrene sheet, and it's 2mm. Oh, sorry, it's 1.5mm long. So the best way to do this, as I found, is just basically put that on there and copy and trace with a pen. So I'm using my pliers basically to hold that into place, and just drawn now. This is like really ever so faint, but I can clearly see what I've done here. Okay, so I'm going to use my precision craft knife toolkit, and I think I should be using, let's just go with this one and see how it works. So I'll put it aside. I think I just basically get the knife on here. I'm basically just going along with my knife and the ruler and just scoring into it. Okay, and there you go. Let's basically slice that off. Let's put it to one side. So now I just basically get this nail file and smooth the edges. Alright, so that's it. It's basically done. I just need to attach this on here, and I can see that I've made a mistake, but that's not alright. I can just basically take a groove out of that, so it sits on. Basically sand that back and I'll be good as gold. Ooh, bit harder material. I'll be using my Dremel tool, so I will do this off screen so it's not so noisy. Okay, so I've sanded that back, and I've also put a bit of a groove in there. So that should really work. And all I do basically is put some super glue on there. So I basically want to sit this like this. I'm going to use 2 swats of paint. I'll make it 3. So it sits like that. And using super glue, I'll probably use super glue and baking soda too. Okay, that's not looking too bad. It's starting to look apart, but you can still see there's a sharp edge. So I'm going to apply a bit more super glue here and baking soda. That's a bit more super glue. And I've gone a bit overboard. And that will create a strong bond, but also it looks like it's molded in quite nicely. So once again, the same thing. And that looks pretty good actually. That looks the part. Okay, so I'll just leave that alone to set, and then we'll just put a like a charcoal grey or a dark grey on there to match the colour. Yeah, I'm quite chuffed with that. Okay, so for the colour of the bomb, I'm going to be using this NATO black, and it is the pretty much the closest I can find. So lucky. It looks like it could be a bit too dark. So it looks a bit too dark, so I'm going to try to go for a deep sea grey. And mix the two colours together. And that will lighten it up, hopefully. Which is doing that right now, which is good. It's a little bit more. It's not too bad. I can live with that actually. Especially if I just paint the whole bomb. Which is what I'm doing right now. Right, I might just leave that part alone. To dry, and then do the other side. And at last, the weapons transport vehicle is complete. As I said before, I got the steering wheel from the Manta Ray hover foil. The aerial I just made up from a plastic tree. And the bomb here, which is, see, there's the original bomb. But when I brought this, I wanted the broken bomb so I can repair it when it comes around. And that's a part there. You can only just see it. So, yeah, I'm quite happy with that. That's really good. I'm going to put a driver in this. I think I'll put in Grand Slam. Hi. Yeah, it's quite a cool little vehicle. I'm not sure if it serves any purpose, really, just carrying one bomb. But I have noticed there's another trailer hitch at the back of this. So, in reality, if it came with like 2 trailers, that would have been pretty cool. It does remind me of the sort of the transport that moves luggage to planes and all that. So you can also probably make another. I could probably make another trailer and it carries luggage. That's a bit of sense of humour. But yeah, I'm quite wrapped with this. I'll go back inside and do the final review. Well, I want to personally thank you for sticking around and watching the rest of this video. It really means a lot to me. And for all those who decided to subscribe and make a comment that you have subscribed, I will personally get back to you. That's about a respect I give to you fellas. Yeah, this is the close-up of the weapons transport. So I'm going to hold it by 2 hands because of the trailer, but yeah. So we'll go around this part where we see the aerial or the antenna. That was quite easy. That was just a bit of plastic tree cut from there. The steering wheel, once again, that was easy. Not an issue with that. as I said before, it kind of reminds me of the luggage compartment vehicles that tow the your baggage and all that. So yeah, that's the missile that has been repaired. You can just slightly see it. It's a little bit duller too, the bomb. So I think once, and we're heading up towards autumn, so there's a lot of wind. So I'll throw in a bit of clear coat to get that to shine. Because here's the original bomb. And it's got a nice sheen to it. It's actually got all the stickers. And I just dropped it. People, don't drop your toys. Don't drop your toys. Literally don't drop them. You end up breaking them. So anyway. So please like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. And with that, it's Yo Joe. Oh yeah, don't forget that notification bell that's up there. And see ya.